expensive purchase.
Do you go first?
This is fancy.
Look at that.
Hello.
It's actually floating in the air.
It's huge, my eyes.
It's definitely nicer. Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we are unboxing the biggest. This is 98 inches, the Samsung TV of your dreams. Now we have waited just 2 months. We waited 2 months to unbox this TV because unfortunately my partner was pregnant.
Unfortunately.
It's possible, but I think we might have to do this after this one comes out.
We couldn't do any heavy lifting.
Yeah, but we got a new friend now.
Yes.
Gonna help us
Yes.
unbox this massive TV.
Yes, I'm so excited. How many inches is this?
98 inches.
98 inches.
The reason why we got this guy, it was on Boxing Day special sale, half price off. This is the most expensive purchase. Yowzers.
Declined.
Need the pin. Yo. Okay, we're doing it.
Approved or is it declined?
Done.
Hey, there you go.
So what's your returns policy like? It is done. We officially got it. Most expensive TV ever, 98 inches. Shout out to Fabian and Matt. And it's gonna be a big one. Massive.
Step 1, move the old TV. All right, it's getting real. It's time to take off the shoes. All right, we're amped up.
Just look how much dust built up.
Oh, so much dust. And I think this is just like a few months old. Maybe I should clean more regularly.
Step 2, move massive TV into the living room.
I don't think either of us are ready for this one.
Yeah, the guys who delivered it were like big.
2
of them.
We've got 1 man and 1 woman.
Wonder Woman. Okay, let's go. You ready? You got 2 handles here. So, how do you do this? Just lift.
Just lift it.
Yeah.
Do you go first?
No, you gotta go first.
Okay. Oh, this is nothing. Lifting a baby is much harder. Lunch break.
You happy? And step 3, we're gonna
Unbox it. So I think what we have to do, Ash, is take out the plastic clips from either side. Remember, with all the TVs, they all have this.
So you just pull these clips out like so, and you just from this side. There we go. It looks quite fancy. Fancy.
clips on the back, the front, all the clips.
All of the clips. The first time we unboxed a TV, we had no idea about these clips, and we ended up just annihilating the box. So watch this video if you've never unboxed a TV before, because it'll make your life so much easier, and we'll show you why in a sec.
You enjoying this? She's enjoying it. Okay, I'm getting hot.
Is it time to take off the
I'm
clothes?
taking everything off.
Is it time?
No, we're taking off the top.
The top's going.
The top. That's step number 4. We're taking off the top.
All right, so all we do is just lift up this TV box.
Oh, wait, it opens up from the top as well.
Now, you obviously need a bit of clearance for this.
My, what are you doing?
I'm trying to just open up the box.
How are we going to get it up? Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you don't lift
Right,
it up
you don't
because
lift it up.
ceiling space.
It's like a present. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
And this is the biggest box unboxing ever.
Are you excited about this one?
Yes.
She's excited. Okay, we're going to do this. We're doing this. We're doing this.
We need like clearance. for
Space.
this.
Yeah, we need space.
We need some space. Okay, good one. All right, so what I would suggest is you have a lot of space to unbox this box because it is huge. So maybe what we'll do, look at that, look at that. The lovely people of Samsung are aware that nobody's room is like that big. So it does actually come off in 2 halves. So I'm just gonna pull this half away. Okay, we'll take off the last clip.
I forgot a
and
clip.
then, and that way you've got more space.
Okay.
Oh, easy.
All right.
Oh, thank God for that.
Oh, almost tripped up. It's massive.
Oh,
it's still big. It's still big. I'm
It's
liking this. Now there's a manual. This is what I'm talking about, this manual. Oh, hello. Hello. It's bigger than you.
It's bigger than me.
Wait. Let's get rid of the foam and we'll find out if it's really bigger than you. Okay, I got a manual here. Step 5, I think. We've got a manual. Look. You're gonna look at the manual. Now there's one thing that I'm actually excited about this manual.
What is it?
You slide the stand while it's still boxed up. It's gonna be easy. We don't actually have to put the TV on the floor or do the lambada or go underneath the TV. Remember the last one, the Sony, we had to pull out this side and go underneath?
Don't even
have to do
remind
that.
me.
You just plug the stand in from the back.
Oh, this is a breeze.
Okay.
It's wobbly.
Dun, 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 dun. Sturdy stand.
Hope so. It better be.
It looks so small.
Oh, it's tiny. How is this going to hold all of that? Here. Are you having fun, Lucy? No. But look, Ash, it does come with bolts. So you've got some bolts over here. You've got 4, and then you've got another 4 over there. So we'll have to kind of fix that up first. It does look pretty sturdy.
Well, it's got metal.
It's got metal.
That's really strong.
It's got loads of brackets. So yeah, we should be good.
Is that steel? Brackets. It's probably
There
steel.
you go. It looks smooth though. So gone is the issue of having like to get an entertainment unit that's big enough to hold your stand. Just saying.
Oh, this is a small stand.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
Right.
We actually got this massive, multi-dimensional entertainment unit just to fit our last TV because the stand was so obnoxious. Yeah, it's wider than any other stand. So we built this whole big unit. It still looks gorgeous. I'm keeping it. But this is a tiny stand.
Let's do it, Ash.
All right, step 6. We're going to be removing the foam. What is this?
Ah,
Another manual.
yay!
This is probably the remote control.
Oh my
To be
God.
continued.
I am not throwing this.
Oh, it's big.
Oh.
You got to keep the side ones because you're going to be using that to put it on the base to make it more secure. So this corner square gets locked in underneath that corner there. Sturdy. Step 7. There is this. Oh. All right, this might be part of the stand as well. It's really heavy. Put it down to the side. Step 8. Before you do the TV stand, you need to settle anyone that's around. Let's go do this. Step 8. You do the getting ready to put on the stand dance. Stand dance, stand dance, stand dance. Everybody do the stand dance. All said, everybody do. So if you rip open the film from the back here, you get exposed. This is the area where the stand is going to be plugged in. So just going to remove a little bit of this film, and I'll plug the stand in there. Now it's time to set up the stand. So for the stand, you get 2 pieces. One really heavy base. I'm sure it's going to crush our entertainment unit, but let's give it a shot. And a lighter back bit, and the lighter bit has the screws. And you get 4 holes and 4 screws. So just get a drill driver and make your life easy. So apparently you got to push this piece of foam out of the way. This foam gets moved out of the way, and that gives space for the stand to go underneath. Oh, this is gonna be easy. This is the easiest stand setup ever. Yo! And that's it. You screw it in. Look at that, the stand's floating. It's actually floating in the air. It's doing the David Copperfield. So I'm gonna go real slow with these final 4 screws, and I'll wait until my best friend is finished feeding so she can hold this and make sure it doesn't topple over. But this is thank you, Samsung. Thank you. So this tiny screw,
Yeah.
we need to plug it in the hole that's here.
Oh.
The hole that's here.
Wow.
Except I can't seem to
Let's have a go.
can't seem to fit it in.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you mean. It is so fiddly. It is actually screwing, but I'm not going to screw it all in. I'm just going to leave that for the big boss, and I'll do the next one. All I would say, my suggestion is rather than using your fingers, just if you've got a magnetized screwdriver, that's useful. But if you don't, just do what I'm doing. Just hold it with your fingers and then just push it in.
And that worked.
Magic. Right, leave you to screw it in because I do not want this responsibility.
Step 10 or 11 or 9. All right, guys, we're finally doing something, and it's not in the manual, this one. We got the stand on, but this is the hard part. Apparently in the manual, it just says lift up the TV with 4 people and do what you want with it. Except there's a problem. The TV is actually floating. It's floating on the stand is floating, so I can't actually get to the TV. We're gonna have to remove these foam paddings.
Maybe that's it.
What?
Maybe you lift it up and you put your foot here where the arrow is, and that way you can lift it up from the polystyrene. You gotta do some acrobatics. Okay, well, that's gone.
We'll get some books. We'll put it on the bottom of the base.
Don't do it, don't do it. We'll just do what you're gonna do. It's just the whole TV's moving. It's very wobbly. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I can't do it.
Okay, got rid of it on my side.
Yep.
There you go, it's down. We're good. All right.
Well done.
Get rid of the polyester.
Well done.
Okay, let's open it up, see what it looks like. Before I put it on the stand, I'm gonna plug it in and just see if it turns on and see if, because I noticed there's a
Okay.
few puncture holes here. Puncher hole here and there's a scratch there. Hopefully this TV is good,
Yep.
but let's just see.
Woo.
Looks good.
Looks awesome.
Looks good.
This is nice. It says, this is actually really good. It's giving you like a bit of support so that you can hold it a bit better. It says, do not remove until the product is assembled.
It's pretty big, isn't it?
Huge. It's huge.
All right. So I'll plug it in.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So before I put it on the stand, I'm just gonna thread this bit of cable through the entertainment unit. The plug is over here. Hey. Oi. All right. Does it feel? The blue screen.
Oh my God, it's huge. My eyes. Wow.
Okay, that was a quick turn on. Okay, so we know the TV isn't damaged.
Yeah.
So,
It's any damage now.
yeah, if we damage it, put it on the stand,
enough.
we're in trouble.
Let's do this. Give me a high five.
So,
Get the energy.
yeah, you got the...
Do your flies up. Do your belt up.
Yeah, I got it. Boom. Boom. It's actually lighter than I thought it'd be.
No, it's heavy. That is like sore. Wow, it's huge. It looks fake. It's a fake television. Hey, we did it. Actually suits this area so well. It actually suits the entertainment unit now that it's bigger. Oh, I can't believe we did it, babe. We just mustered up the strength and we just did it. I like that Ash is actually secretly behind the television is screwing the screws up.
Definitely tight. It's definitely tight, so it's definitely locked on there. So, TV does wobble. It does wobble.
Don't shake it
But
too
the stand is on there.
much. All right, well,
Is it still blue? Yes.
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 but
What?
we need to remove the protective film. Oh, you're just going for it. Okay, you're just going for it, I see.
It's weird. Look, as you unplug it, the TV actually changes colour. Yeah, oh, that's weird. Whoa.
Is that all right at the bottom?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank God, that's the bit I touched, so that's good.
This is how thin the TV is. Look at my finger. Look at my finger, and it's completely straight, that finger. Now look at the Sony. This is the old Sony. Well, a couple of years old. That's my finger, but what is all this? What is all this? Look at my finger and all this junk. My finger, trunk in the junk. Whereas this new Samsung, my finger and nothing in the back. It's so thin.
It is so thin.
All right, let's set it up quickly. It's my favorite part of the show. We're setting up Samsung 98-inch massive TV, and we can set up with a smartphone or remote control.
Do you know, my eyes feel so good when they look at the screen.
It's a nice screen. So all you need to do is plug it in. Do you want to connect the actual Australian TV?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We'll plug it in. Start auto setup. Aerial, digital, next. And Wi-Fi, not interested. I don't want to use Wi-Fi, skip. Skip.
Skip, nice.
It's very, very smooth, this situation.
So fast as well.
Oh,
so
yeah.
responsive.
It's very, very responsive.
My goodness.
I was worried about Samsung because I know they're older TVs.
Yeah.
They were a bit chuggy. They were very, very slow. Next. No, we're in Queensland.
Queensland.
Okay,
Ooh.
take your viewing experience to the next level. Sound, volume, brightness will be optimized. Enable now. I'm doing it.
Oh my gosh.
I want to do this at that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy there's no dead pixels. I'm so happy. I'm so TV
I'm
actually
so
works.
immersed. It's so beautiful.
It works.
It's so beautiful.
Turn off the lights.
Oh my god, it is so gorgeous. I love the colours.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna watch some serious movies today.
Okay, what are we doing? We watched Captain Marvel the other day.
We just have to rent it out and get another one.
Oh, it's TV.
Whoa, that was quick.
Okay, what do we do?
That's right, it is. And then the height
This is Australian TV, by the way. Gold Coast is the best kind of channel you want to watch. Hey, what do you think of your brand new TV?
Oh, she's immersed by the look.
Is it big enough? Is it big enough for you?
I don't think it's big enough. It needs to be a little bit bigger.
So that was the unboxing of the Samsung 98-inch television by yours truly, Ash and Nora.
Heads of tech, we did it. That means you can do it. And we did it with 2.5 people.
We did.
So hopefully, actually don't even try it with 2 people. Just do it properly, get 4 people, because I don't want the liability.
No.
Even the stand is still wobbly.
Whoa,
It's still
whoa,
wobbly. It's
whoa.
screwed fully in, but it looks solid. It's very, very solid. Doesn't take much of a footprint. I'm happy with this.
So happy.
We're gonna go through all of the settings. Gonna do the ultimate settings guide on this TV. I'm excited about that. How do you feel?
I'm so happy
Is
that
it big enough for you?
I think it's big enough. It's so big! The picture quality is great, the sound sounds like it's gonna be amazing, and I cannot wait for nighttime tonight to watch a movie on it.
Oh, yeah. Proper review coming
Proper
soon.
review.
This is just the unboxing. All right, guys, let us know what television you guys are rocking out there in the world. We're going to do a live measurement test to see who's taller. Yeah, it's taller than me. Yep, it's taller than you, taller than everyone. We're going to have some fun with this TV. Hope you guys found this video useful.
And enjoyed the show.
This is the most expensive purchase.
Can you go first?
Fancy.
Look at that!
Oh, hello.
It's actually floating in the air.
That's huge,
It's definitely nicer. We're standing up. We're sitting down. We're standing up. We're sitting down.
Down.